The Chief Judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja, Justice John Tosoo, has reassigned the case of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, to another judge. This was disclosed by Kanu's lead counsel, Aloy Ejimako, in a statement on Saturday in Abuja. Kanu had requested the recusal of Justice Binta Yako, the judge presiding over the 7-count terrorism charge brought against him by the federal government. While Justice Yako recused herself from the trial and transferred the case file back to Chief Judge for reassignment, the case file was however reassigned to her again. Kanu opposed the reassignment of his case to Yako, insisting the new judge must hear his case. On 20th of February 2025, Kanu, through his legal team, wrote to the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kadira, seeking her intervention in the matter. Ejimako noted that in the statement on Friday, March 7, 2025, the legal team received 2 separate letters regarding Kanu's case. Ejimako stated that upon receiving the letters, Kanu instructed his legal team to publicly convey his sincere gratitude to the CJN for her sound administrative discretion and the promptness with which she responded to their request. We will continue to monitor this story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.